Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to clear your conversations within Snapchat. This is a pretty basic thing to do, but a lot of people may not even realize how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat app, and you want to make sure you're logged into the exact same Snapchat account that you want to go ahead and clear conversations from. So if I go ahead and swipe to the side, you basically see that I do have one specific conversation from Team Snapchat. If I go ahead and hold it down, you have a couple of different options, but you do see this more option. If you go ahead and click more, you can see that you can actually go ahead and delete the chats, and it says 20 hours, whatever. You can remove friend, you can clear this conversation. So you can essentially go ahead and click clear conversation, and it'll go ahead and clear this conversation for you. Now that's one way to do it. There's another way to do it, which is, I think, a little bit easier because you can do it for a lot more combos. You want to go ahead and get into your main panel like this. You want to click on your icon in the top left. You didn't want to click on the settings, which is in the top right. Now, essentially, when you're here, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll all the way down until you get right here. You'll see this little option if you scroll up a little bit that says clear conversation. I don't know why this thing's taking up to 672 megabytes of RAM, but I don't know why this app's taking 672 megabytes of cache, but you'll go and see this clear conversations toggle. You want to go and click here, and here is where you'll basically be able to go ahead and quickly clear out all these conversations. So you can go and click X, and you can keep clicking XXX for all of them. And it literally takes a little bit of time, but it's fairly easy depending on how many chats you have. So that's another way to do it. If you really want to go ahead and get into and you want to delete like everything, you can go ahead and click clear data. You can go ahead and clear out all these other things too right here, your search history, your scan history, whatever these other things are. But I think the clear conversations is the easiest way to do it in my opinion. So that's essentially how you do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.